Nusby looks horrified. Two television hosts
cautiously approach him and
talk to him like a baby, telling him congratulations.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Oh, whoa! You're special! Hi!
He said the exits. What?
You can't go straight.
It is on, it's not by the campus.
And the combo is fantastic. So if you ever get a chance to grab it or get it on sale or whatever, it's not very expensive to start with. You can get it on Switch, you can get it on consoles, and I think it's still on Game Pass.
Painting it, and there's like golf carts everywhere. Everyone's driving around in a golf cart. They're like 5 golf courses. It's huge. There's 7 neighborhoods, and they all have like clubhouses. They have restaurants, pools, and then it's along the marsh. A lot of the homes like
Dino Piana and Oscar Brady. The song is called Placebo. I had it back the
based on what I see is probably yes. Well, here's why. So let's go back in time a little bit.
Yeah, we don't need to stop at red lights. Awesome.
But Amelia didn't leave me empty. She told me to find the wife of one of those brothers, a woman named Amy Lowe.
I knew it. I fucking knew it.
Stay in the left lane.
I'm just gonna lay on the horn.
Like, really?
You deserve this, buddy. Yeah. Seriously? Wow.
Which made his attempts at portraying anger unconvincing.
Okay.
I'd ignored his jibes in the past, but I was getting tired of it.
What
What have you been able to do, Ambassador?
How crumpled yours is, it'd be very hard to get it out.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
What the fuck? he gonna stop? Pull the fucking car over, you dickhead. He must be dead.
He's getting off.
Nice. Is he finally turning off? I don't think he realizes it's on fire.